it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on our new channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix screen recorder no sound. So let's get started. Well, sometimes when you make a screen recorder and when you go to the gallery, you may find that there's no sound. Now, how to fix this problem? So swipe up. And here we have screen recorder. So make a long press on it. A list of options will appear, and here we have sound sources. So tap on it. Well, as you see here, while I am recording, I can't get into this option. Well, for you, when you tap on this option, choose mic. Once you choose mic, the screen recorder problem will get solved. And this is it. This is how to fix screen recorder sound. Thanks for watching. See ya.